Hi, I'm Donnelly, Parliamentary Secretary for Watershed Restoration, and it's BC Wild Salmon Day, June 1st. So we're going to be out celebrating wild salmon, the habitat that they're in, the watersheds that support salmon, because the challenges are big. Working on bringing back our wild salmon, we want to keep healthy runs healthy, and we want to work on those runs that aren't so healthy. So the importance of Wild Salmon Day is critical to have a day where all of British Columbia can celebrate in that amazing species that make that trek from headwaters to sea and right back up to their natal streams again. And so many organizations work so hard to make sure that salmon survive, and we've got to do our part. That's why I'm happy as Parliamentary Secretary to be working so hard with the provincial government, whether it's BC Salmon Restoration and Innovation Fund or the Healthy Watershed Initiative, working to bring salmon back one stream at a time.